Good morning, YouTube. I don't know if my first intro took, so this is like the third time I'm trying to do this. Today is August 13th. It's Tuesday. It's a little cloudy here, but I'm out trying to make some money. I've already turned down 3 dashes, and I just picked up one at IHOP. Strange. It asked me to take a picture of the receipt that's attached to the bag. Never had to do that before.
Head northeast.
I'm headed to a place called Squirrel Run. I feel like it's a dirt road, guys. Feel like it is a dirt road. So let's go and see what we got in store for us. What did I tell y'all? What did I tell you? Now, apparently Squirrel Run is a quarter mile down this road. You can just tell sometimes by the names of the road what you're in for. What did I tell you? Dirt road fun today. Dirt road fun. Yeah, buddy. Let's see if I can take you all the way down to Squirrel Run. I'm going to try to keep a positive attitude today, but I mean, this is my first delivery of the day, y'all, so hopefully things will improve from here. Okay. I think, see, I'm following a car down this road, and
Turn left onto Squirrel Run.
yep, Squirrel Run. I figured where that car was from. This is fun, people. Fun, 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 fun.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
Okay, 255 Squirrel Run. 255 Squirrel Run. This is such a fun trip, guys. It's a very nice crepe myrtles are there. I love that color. I love that color. Purple, purple, purple. So, go down this road like these roads here, and you kind of hear banjos playing, you know. Dun 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 dun.
Your destination is on the left. The customer requested you leave the order at their door. Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
Absolutely no signs on the door. So we're going to hope that this is 255 Squirrel Run. I don't know, but I think this is it. Let's see what it says here. Look at the picture. Yep. We're at the right place. It says, leave at my door on the left side, white car in driveway. All right. Okay, guys, I am back with you. Hopefully I can get back out of this driveway here. We'll hit this tree. Hit this tree. Here we go. A very narrow driveway. DoorDash is testing my driving skills this morning. Yep. But yeah, this is the dirt road. So I'm headed back. It says finding orders, headed back to my zone. Yeah, that was weird on that order. I've never had to take a picture of the receipt for like a food delivery order. I've had to take pictures of the receipts for red card orders and stuff like that. So that was odd. Maybe that's a new thing they're doing now. But yeah, dirt road fun, dirt road adventures, here we come. And that's just our first run, ladies and gentlemen, just our first run, okay? Let's see how the day progresses. Alright, YouTube, I'm picking up my second delivery order, and it asked me to take a picture of the receipt and confirm the order. Again, you know, you pick it up and confirm the order, and now you've got to take a picture of the receipt on the back and confirm that it was picked up. So this is new, and I'm sure there's a reasoning for it. I suspect the reasoning is, you know, sometimes
turn left onto Margaret's Way, then turn right onto North Arlington Street.
You can you get there and they say, oh, it's already been picked up. Well, I guess this is their answer to solving that problem.
Turn right onto North Arlington
Taking
Street.
a picture of the receipt and confirming that it's picked up. So, yeah. But this is just another step, so it'll take some getting used to. This is only my second order, and it pays $6.50.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Park Avenue.
2 miles. So, I turned down 2 more. I can't turn down any more. But the ones I turned down were like 10.5 miles for $7.
Turn left onto Park Avenue.
You know, it's just. Anyway, I'm gonna try to keep a positive attitude today. See if we can't make a little bit more money than we made yesterday. However, it's not looking so great so far. But yeah,
Continue on Park Avenue.
apparently now we have to take a picture of the receipt to confirm that we picked it up. Now, you know, McDonald's has always had type in the 3 digits, the last 3 digits of the order number. So we'll see what happens if I pick up a McDonald's order, if I still have to do that, or if I just take a picture, or I don't know. But yeah, new procedures here, new procedures. It's going to be a pretty mild weather day. It is drizzling, rain, but the rain is supposed to be out of here by 10 o'clock, so hopefully things will pick up money-wise. I'll be back with you shortly. Alright guys, I'm back with you. I dropped off, and it wasn't a dirt road, but it was a bad road. And then my brakes are like, and I'm like, oh, okay. Because, you know, I had that bump up yesterday, and he hit the back part of my tire. oh God, I hope he didn't, you know, rupture my brake line or anything. But this is an old car. So I've paused my dash. I've stopped at O'Reilly's. I've got some gas. They put some brake fluid in it for me. They said they didn't see any leaks. So I'm going to drive it back over here to the other side of town. And if everything goes all right, I'm going to unpause my dash. But yeah, that's not a good feeling. When you hit your brakes and you don't stop, you know, especially driving as much as I do. So we will see how it goes here. They seem to be better. They seem to be better, but we will see, and I will keep you posted. Alright guys, I'm back here at the Bojangles parked. I have tested my brakes and I think they're going to be fine. I got me some more. I got the brake fluid here in case I need it. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, you know, when I had that hard turn and then I stopped again at another stoplight, it was like, and I'm like, I mean, this has been a good old car, I ain't lying. I would like to get something newer, but you know, money. You gotta be able to afford something newer. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. They seem to be pumping up. And it took about a half a bottle of this brake fluid, so that's not too bad. I'll keep a check on it. When I get home this evening, I'll check it and make sure that it's got plenty of brake fluid in it, because I don't want to run into that issue again. That was a scary thing. But yeah, I'm sitting here waiting for the next order to come up. I have not done very well today. So in 2 hours, I've only made $22, so that's like $11 an hour. That sucks, people. That sucks. But on the good side, good note, it is it's cool today. It's cool today. Cloudy. It's the kind of day I like to dash in. So we'll see what it holds. Yeah, my brakes were like, psh, psh. But I got them fixed. I hope. Hadn't had very many good orders today, and now I'm at the point where I have to take everything, because if I don't start taking everything, then my acceptance rate's going to go down. But yeah, as soon as I get something good, I'll be back with you. It's an adventure out here today. I mean, new changes and dirt roads and brakes going to the floor. That's not good, you know. But thank God I know a little bit about cars, and I didn't panic. Brake fluid is the first line of defense. And since I've never put any in this car since I've had it, and I've had this car a couple of years now. I think that's pretty good. Pretty good. So anyway, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Hey YouTube, back with you. I delivered the Chick-fil-A and I think my brake problem is solved. I'm here picking up an order at Panera Bread. I know it's not ready. It ain't never ready here, but let me go in there and see what they got for me. If it's ready, I'll be shocked. Hey YouTube. YouTube, back with you. Just dropped off that Panera Bread. On the subject of brakes, I know that, I don't know if some of you are driving and you've had the hard brake detected thing go off when you are like not even braking. But but if you have, you can turn that off. You can go into your settings and safety, and then there's a button there that says hard brake detection, and just flip it over to off, and that won't go off anymore. Because when it was doing it on my phone, I could just be slowing down and it would say hard brake detected, and there was no hard braking going on. So yeah, I turned that off. So if that's something that you want to do, just go into your settings and your safety settings, and you should see it there that says hard brake detection. You can turn it off. But yep, we're headed back over here. I want to sit and park and wait for a good order. Well, wait a minute, man. Oh no, that's not an order. That's saying my package was delivered. I ordered a t-shirt from TikTok Shop. It was delivered today. It's early too. 10:16. The mail. Okay. But anywho, I'm gonna pull right over here into the Bojangles parking lot, and I am going to wait for a good order. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Alright, YouTube, back with you. It's drizzling rain out here. Pretty steady. Getting ready to start the lunch rush. It's 11 o'clock. I hadn't made but $37, y'all. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to work the rest of this week just dashing. And if things don't pick up, I may have to start, you know, multi-tapping and do a few Uber Eats and see how that does. But I'm going to give it the rest of this week to see if things pick up for DoorDash only, because I really don't care for multi-apping. It's a lot for an old woman to keep up with, but you know, you do what you got to do. My goal is $100 a day, and I only made $68 yesterday, and right now I'm at 37, so I'm behind. So we'll see how it goes. Just sitting here hanging out at the Bojangles. I just went in there and took me a little pit stop, and I had me an oatmeal cookie out here in the car, and I'm ready to start the lunch rush. Hopefully it's a rush, and hopefully it's a good paying rush, but I'll be back with you shortly.
Onto South Arlington Street, then turn left onto East Innes Street.
Alright, YouTube, I'm back with you. DoorDash must have heard me doubting them, because I just got a $13.50 plus, which means when I drop it off it'll be more, for the Palm Cafe, which is right down the street here. That's where they got backed into me yesterday, so I need to be extra careful there. But yeah, $13.50 plus. So let's see if this is a catering order. I doubt it, but it's possible. This is not really the kind of a restaurant that you would expect a catering order from, but it's possible. So yeah, $13.50 plus. I'll let you know how it goes. Hey YouTube, back at you. Glasses is getting steamy. This weather's just playing havoc. What's this dude stop here for? God, these people. Yeah, that was a catering order. The final tally was $29.50. So that was nice. That was a small catering order, and I'll take it. Shoot. It was to the corporate offices of Food Line up here. And it did not make me take a picture of the order prior to delivery like it does on the smaller orders now. But it didn't make me take a picture when I dropped it off. So, anyway, thought I'd let you know, finally got a decent order. 2 days out here, finally got a decent order. Anyway, I'm headed back to town now, and wish me luck, maybe I'll get another one. Hey YouTube, just picked up there at Wow. And it looks like it, I mean, it smells fantastic, and it looks like it's good, and it's not far from my house, so it's one of those little things you just drive through. You call ahead and it's ready, and you pick it up and then you go through. But it's Venezuelan and American cuisine. So you can get your hot dogs and hamburgers there, but you can also get Venezuelan dishes. So I'm going to take a look at that menu when I get home. He gave me a postcard and everything. They got it set up like it's online. You order online or you can call. So that's great. And it is raining a little bit, and this is going to be going to a truck driver. But we'll see how this works out. So he gave me the address, and the directions say, hand it to me in big white asphalt truck behind work area sign on Riverview Road. So, wish me luck. I have never delivered to a truck driver before. So, we will see how it works out. So if he's driving an asphalt truck, but my dad used to work for the state, so I know what that looks like. So we good. And it is a 10-mile ride out here, and it is raining. This will definitely be my last trip. My last trip. At least it's not dirt roads. The work area might be dirt. Yeah, but it's raining pretty hard now. So, anyway, this is going to be a long, quiet ride, and as soon as I find him, I'll let you guys know. Okay, guys, I'm about a half a mile from dropping off with this truck driver guy.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
And I just want to have the video camera going just in case there's an issue. This is the first time I've ever delivered to a truck, so my husband was a truck driver, and I have heard some stories.
Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination.
Riverview Road. And there he is. There he is, guys.
Head southeast on Riverview Road toward Seaford Road.
There is he.
Continue on Riverview Road for 3 miles.
Thank you. You too. Alright, that went off without a hitch. Without a hitch. I can just turn right around here. Practice my 3-point road turn. I think I can do it. Yep. y'all have to do one of those when you were driving, getting your driver's test? 3-point road turn. Parallel park. Oh, freak.
Continue on
Parallel
Riverview
park and
Road for
forget
3
it.
miles. The customer requested you hand them the order. Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
Delivery, confirm. Done. Okay. Alright guys, I am headed back to town. And I think I'm going to call it a day. Let's see. I don't see it. Look at that, I made $100. Woohoo, Lord, yes. Yes. So that's a good end to my day. I am going to call it quits for today. Into my dash. Okay, there we are. DoorDash must have heard me doubting. Okay. This is a pretty good distance from my house, like 10 miles or so. Hey Siri, take me home.
Getting directions.
Home. It is 1:04. My ratings for the end of the day, 76%, so it's amazing because I've turned down several orders today. 100% completion rate, 4.94 customer rating, 97% earlier on time. I don't understand why that's not 100% because it's never been late. Deliveries in the last 30 days, 216 deliveries. Pay for today, $100.19. So that is almost $20 an hour, folks. Yeah, yesterday was $68.50, so thank God it was more today, but it was a better day. I had a couple of big orders, found out some new restaurants. We had an exciting day. We learned some stuff, and we'll be with you tomorrow or the next day. See you later.